Hello, it's me, Michael, with a weekly Good to Hear update. Just going to show you quickly what I've been doing this week. So, first thing we're looking at is Shoot. So, basically, I maybe found an ally, someone who made this other thing, Stream On. So, I think I'm quite excited about that. I had a good chat with someone. But also, I got Shoot out. It was a bit difficult, and one of the hardest things was, if you see, like getting getting it to be the right way up. It's not as easy as you would hope. And it turns out, because the camera comes in at one orientation, then you've got to transform that to turn it into something that goes on a canvas, and then you've got to transform it again based on which way up the phone is. So I finally figured that out, and I pushed that out. It's a staged release, and people are using it. And it's quite cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a slight risk and show you my RealTime Analytics. There's only 2. When I launched this, there was 10 people using it, but it's amazing. They're all over the place. You can see South Korea, Portugal, because I have no, it's not Portugal, that's Spain. Yeah, because I've translated it into Korean, Korean, Spanish, Russian, Japanese. So you see all these users all over the world. So that's really good. So let's celebrate that with some madness. Why is this? Okay, that's enough of that. This week was a bit of a failure in terms of... So Dungard, this app that we're looking at on the screen here, does need some marketing, some explanation of how it works and what it does. And I set myself this goal of doing if I just do one video every day this week, then I'll have loads of videos. So I started writing them, but as soon as I started doing it, I was like, I just want it to be animated, and I want it to be cool and interesting. So I did today end up... today I did end up sort of conceiving of some ideas. So I've started storyboarding this little script. I've got my final draft. Oops, sorry. We've got to watch out for typing because I've got these hotkeys set up. But yeah, I wrote up a little. I wrote up a little intro animation. I've started storyboarding that, but that is dangerous because an animated video can take a lot of time to get done. Let's just have a quick look at what we see coming in here. So yeah, I was supposed to spend do a video every day, but nothing like what I needed to do to make that happen. What I have been doing is looking at Good Habits. I released Good Habits version 2.2, 2.3 maybe, and that has the widget in it. So the home screen widget is now available for you to try. But I've also been looking at adding a new tab with some nice trends and just really try and sort of get people to do that in-app purchase as well. So I made a bit of headway. I think this is looking like something I can get started with. So that is kind of exciting. Let's have another break.
Let's get home. 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 7, 8, let's get home. Let's get home. Let's get home. Let's get home.
Okay, that's enough of that. I'm going to just quickly show you something that I saw on Reddit, and I thought, that could be some inspiration couldn't it? Sorry, that was my watch. I thought maybe this could be quite a cool reference for sort of building up a story of your, like adding these little pages, infographic pages to your story, and building it up, your kind of like life log like that. And I'm quite excited about this idea, and I think it's going to be quite cool to try that. The other thing I was going to mention was, I've been working on the website, which it's not running, but the new Changes website is coming together, and that's Changes app. And then the last thing I did, I called my dad this week, and he keeps saying, like, I need you to help me with this business I've got. So he's got this website business where they do lawn care, like this like managed website that lets people kind of send people out to do lawn care in Nottingham. So I finally got him to commit his PHP code up to GitHub. So I spent like half of yesterday just going through his approach to programming. It's very different to my approach to programming or most developers that I work with, because he's sort of like out there doing it on his own. But yeah, I'm sort of looking at some, hopefully not too soon in the future, inheriting some a bit of a PHP nightmare. I've got that to look forward to. I think we're just going to wrap it up here with just one last video clip. No podcast this week. Ivanka was in a different area with bad internet, so we just decided to give it a break, which sort of does, considering it's been taking me like quite a lot of time each week on the podcast. Even just with the edits, it was 4 hours. Last week it was 6 hours. So I think it's a bit of a relief not to have to worry about the podcast this week. I'm going to say bye. In fact, I'm not even going to show you the third animation. We're just going to say bye. Ciao.